Hey guys, welcome down here to AutoCraze Silverwater. What the fuck has 2021 been? It's been insane, a lot of shit's been happening. We've been busy, and with a massive shout out to all our customers and our people that have brought us their cars and everything. We didn't lock down in the lockdown because our customers put their love, trust and faith in us to bring us their vehicles. Now I met this chap over here. Now this has to be honestly one of the biggest and the baddest builds we've done to this day. So this Raptor behind me, massive thank you to Gary. Spoken to him over the phone, FaceTimed him, video called him, whatever you want to call it, and I told him, I go, bro, you buy a Raptor, bring it here and we'll do it. Now, I'll give credit when it's due. This is a massive shout out to Norworld for putting the canopy on the back. Also another massive shout out to JMR for doing the graphic design. Now, all that shit I'm talking about, I'm going to show you exactly what we've done. So we've gone from head to toe with this vehicle. Like I said before, a massive shout out to Norworld. This is honestly the hottest thing that's been put on the car besides the stuff that we put on. So this is the Norworld canopy that's been custom made. So I think Gary's ready to be traveling Australia. As you can see here, the maps there of all the tracks and everything there is ready to go. Now Gary asked me for my opinion to how to keep that Raptor X theme with the black and the carbon fiber. Our very, very good friends at JMR came in, wrapped this in Contour Grey to match the car, and they also got the pinstripes and the carbon fiber strip to match it. Now some of you may say it's not exactly the same. We don't give a fuck. It's all about making it blend. So now we're coming to the front of the car. You've seen this many times before. You have seen that we've done the Hamer bar before, but this time we've put a DriveTech winch on there, 9,500 pound synthetic rope. You've seen the really cool exclusive Bugatti headlights that we've got down here at AutoCraze. They do work for the PX2 and the PX3. That little funny dancing thing is only for the PX3s, but we can do it for your PX2 if you pay extra money, because it does work. All we need is a something. I don't know what it's called, but it's something that makes it do that dancing thing with jig. And we also did on the front of it, we put the XRS GME radio, as you can see here. Then from there, we've done the gangster treatment. We've put the light bar behind the grille. That's nice and hidden. And we've also wired up to the actual light force fascia that's inside. Now these are connected to the high beams and high beams only, which is the legal side of things. So what we've also done here is done a fabulous stainless steel snorkel with the custom airbox. Now we do support Australian made products such as, voila, the platform that we've added the Nighthawk 39.5 inch light bar. We've also done the toe points and the rubbers. Another beautiful, phenomenal Australian made product. You've seen it many, many times before. Now to talk about the wheels and tyres. Over here we've got ourselves the King D holes. These are 17x8 with the 30 offset. We've wrapped them up with the bad boys and the Yokohama G005 XMT. And we've also partnered up with Cow Off-Road, which is the spring supplier that also supplied us with the airbags on the back. That takes a PSI rating of 100. Isn't that right, Jason? Yeah. All right, now as you've seen, that was the biggest and the baddest Raptor we've done of 2021. This is honestly the best example of what our year has been. It's been big, it's been different, it's been bad, it's been insane, and the best part about it is it's come out mint. Massive, massive, massive shout out, not to the only customers, but to the boys and the team that strive to make this place survive. That rhymes, eh? Anyway, but Gary, I hope you enjoy it. We really, really appreciate your business, and thank you for everything you've helped us with, and thank you to all our customers, and a massive thank you to all the boys from the workshop, Jace, Derek, Mohammed, Bruno, Joshi, Musti, and a massive shout out to the boys in Caringbah, Junior, Harry, Daryl, Mark, and that's about it. So for all your hard work and effort, and Barney just went like this. Barney's the man behind the camera, so he's the man that produces these videos, and if you don't like them, we don't give a fuck, because we like them, our loyal subscribers like them, and a massive shout out to the boys in the showroom that know how to talk shit and get our customers in. So guys, thank you very much for this year, and stay safe and stay AutoCraze, yeah? It is.